Hello dear friends, welcome back to this video. So in today's video we are going to see how we can be able to trigger a lambda function after uploading something on S3 bucket. So in this video we will do a code example on a lambda function. We will create a SNS topic that will help us send an email to our email whenever something is uploaded. So let's get started. So we need S3, SNS, and Lambda. So let us start with a bucket. We will go to your search management, AWS management console. You search for S3, then you will create a bucket. You give it a name. These names should be unique. You create a name, leave everything as default, then you press create a button, create bucket. Okay, so avoid using underscore. That is not that is AWS has renaming convention. So now we have created our bucket, this one. Okay, so this is our bucket. It's already created. Now we want, whenever somebody maybe uploads any object here, you can upload using CLI or using an application. You can create an application and it's uploaded there on S3. So what we need to do, we will come here to the properties, then we'll come here under events. We create events. We say we call it a name. We add a name of it. Then we select. We want to, whenever somebody puts. So this is whenever somebody upload, it's called put event. Then down below we select the lambda function. For now we have not created the function. We will create it, then come and select it. Also we must note the region here must be the same to where we create our lambda function. So we go to our management console, then we search for lambda. So Lambda is a AWS service that enables you to write code to run your code without provisioning the infrastructure. So we create a function, we create it, we write it a name, we give it a name. Then we select the language. We select the language that we are going to use. We are going to use Python, and you can leave everything here as default. But here now is the little deal. We need to give it an execution role. So what we need our lambda function to do, we need it to read the files in S3. Also we need it to publish an SNS topic. So we should go to our IAM console. You can right click it here or go to the search bar and search for IAM. So we want to create a role in IAM. So this is the IAM dashboard. It's look like this. We need to create a role. You can select it here, then you press the button called create a role. You will get yourself to this dashboard. So we want a role for AWS Lambda. We click next, then we want our Lambda to be able to list S3. We can give it read only permission. Then we add, or also we can add the SNS. We can give it the full function, then click next. So it has not added the permission for, okay, it has added the permission for S3 and SNS. So we give it a name, AWS Lambda S3 SNS role. So that is done. Then we press create a role and everything is good. We should have a role there. So if we search it here, we can see it. This is our role. So we go back to our function, then we choose a button here, use existing role. We refresh with this simple button, then we look for AWS. This is the role that we want. Then we create function. Now our function is being created. So now what we need to do is to create the code for doing the triggers. So I have the code written here by the deep sync. So I just copy it. I will also place it in the description. You can just copy it and paste it. So there's something we need to do here. We need to add the SNS Topic ARN Amazon resource name. So we should go to our AWS management console. We search for SNS, a simple notification service. Then we create a topic. So this is how we create a topic. You create a topic, then you add the topic name. You leave everything as default, then you press create. You press create. Then what you'll need to know is this number ARN. This is what we need, and because I have this is what we need. But before we copy it, I remembered something. You need to create a subscription, and you select your email. The protocol here should be email. Let me see. So you create subscription, select, I think I made a mistake there, but that is the workflow. When you create an email, then you add your email and you subscribe, then you copy your ARN. This is my ARN here. You copy it here. Then you go to your AWS code and paste it here. So that is everything that you need to do on doing on the code part. Then you deploy your code. So now we have our code here. We should go back to S3 and then select our I can't see it. So let me refresh. So I like the name. Select everything. Lambda function, choose existing Lambda function, choose the S3, the one that we have created, and then we click save changes. So our changes has been saved. We go to our bucket. Lambda bucket is the one we need. Then we click upload, add file. We add any file, upload, finger crossed, everything will go all right. Okay, the file is uploaded. We go to the function, we check the monitoring. Here we check the monitoring. And I think I have had the message. So this is how you monitor. Here you will see the invocation, whether the code has been done. So you go to your email. Nothing. Yeah, this is the file. This is the file that we created, and we received a notification. So I wanted to show you how you can, if you have errors, you can come here under your code and view CloudWatch logs. You will see any errors that existed, but now nothing has happened. It's an error. So that is how we do it. So we can try it again. So this is a very cool thing. I didn't have it. Add file. Upload. Wait for the email. The email is delivered. Yup. So that is how you can be able to upload a file, add a trigger using S3, create a topic, and then get notified. So any question regarding this service, drop it in the comment section.